Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. If you're a crochet lover like me, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into 25 free amigurumi patterns that you can start right now. Amigurumi is such a fun and rewarding way to express your creativity. From cute animals to whimsical characters, there's something for everyone. So grab your yarn and let's get crafting. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. That's 15 patterns down, but we're not done yet. Let's keep going with the final 10. There you have it, 25 free amigurumi patterns to fuel your crochet passion. All links are in the description below, so you can easily access each pattern. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a crafting update. Let me know in the comments which pattern you're most excited to try. Happy crocheting!
We'll be right back.